Hello everyone, how to solve 3 to the power of m plus 9 to the power of m is equal to 27 to the power of m. So the very first step we are going to do is here you have 3 to the power of m plus 9 to the power of m, and we will write as 3 to the power of m, plus we can write 9 as 3 square to the power of m is equal to, here we have 27 and we can write it as 3 to the power of 3 and whole power m. So after that we can apply here some important exponent law, and you know that if we have a to the power of m to the power of n, so it is equal to a to the power of m times n, and if we can interchange these exponents, then it will again gives us the same answer. Okay, so now we can apply this exponent law here, and we will just interchange these exponents on left and right hand side, so that we have 3 to the power of m plus, here when you can interchange these exponents, so you can get 3 to the power of m and whole square is equal to 3 to the power of m and whole cube. So after that we will take here y is equal to 3 to the power of m, so that this equation will become in this form: y plus y square is equal to y cubed. Now we can take all the terms in the left hand side to the right hand side. So when we take this plus y to the right hand side, so it will become y cubed minus y square minus y is equal to 0. We will take these y and y square to the right hand side. Now we can take common y, and we will get y square minus y minus 1 is equal to 0, and here you can get y is equal to 0 and y square minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. And after that first I will solve this root, and here in the start of the question we will take y is equal to 3 to the power of m, so we will back substitute the value of y and we will get 3 to the power of m is equal to 0. And here you can see that this is exponential function, and the exponential function can never be equal to 0, so that we will just reject this case. Okay, now we can just proceed this case only, so that in this case we can solve the quadratic equation by using the quadratic formula, so that we have a is equal to 1 and b is equal to minus 1 and c is equal to minus 1. So now we can apply here the quadratic formula, and you know very well about the quadratic formula, and you know that y is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac square root over 2a. So now we can substitute all the values of a, b and c in this quadratic formula, and we will get y is equal to minus times of minus 1 plus minus 1 square minus 4 times of 1 into minus 1 and square root over 2 times of a, and the value of a is 1. Okay, so after that we will just simplify this expression, and we finally got 1 plus minus, here you have minus 1 square and minus 1 square is equal to 1, and this minus multiply by this minus and we get plus 4 square root over 2. And after that we have y is equal to 1 plus 5 square root over 2, and y is equal to 1 minus 5 square root over 2. Here I can we have two possibilities. The first is positive and the second is negative. Okay, so I can just write separately both of the terms. and here you get y is equal to this one, and y is equal to 1 minus square root 5 over 2. And now we can back substitute the value here, and you know that we can take y is equal to 3 to the power of m, so we can back substitute here. So it will become 3 to the power of m plus is equal to 1 plus square root of 5 over 2, and here you get 3 to the power of m is equal to 1 minus square root 5 over 2. And now in order to find the value of m, we need to take the log on both of the sides and in both of the terms, so that we have log 3 to the power of m is equal to log 1 plus square root 5 over 2. And similarly we can take log on this expression as well, and we get log 3 to the power of m is equal to log 1 minus square root 5 over 2. And after that, here you can take this exponent from front of this log, and you get m times of log 3 is equal to log 1 plus square root 5 over 2. And similarly you can take this m to the front of this log, and you will get m times of log 3 is equal to log 1 minus square root 5 over 2. And after that we will divide log 3 on both of the sides, so we take this log 3 to the right hand side, and it will become log 1 plus square root 5 over 2 and whole over log 3. And here you get m is equal to log 1 minus square root 5 over 2 and whole over log 3. After that we apply here the property of log, and the property of log is we can write this term as 3 base 3, and its exponent or power is 1 plus square root 5 over 2. Similarly you can write this expression as log of base 3 into 1 minus square root 5 over 2. Okay, so these are the value of the required m, and this is our final answer. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more exciting videos.